Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you're in the gasoline petroleum wholesale business, you know that downstream distribution and customer delivery is where the rubber really hits the road. It's complex, fast-paced, and there's no room for error. Lately, I've been digging into how generative AI could actually help us transform this part of the operation, and I've got to say, it's not just hype anymore. This technology is already delivering real value. Take inventory management, for example. We're not just talking about tracking tank levels anymore. AI can analyze past sales, market trends, even weather patterns to forecast how much fuel we need, where and when. It means fewer stockouts, less excess inventory tying up capital, and just smarter resource planning. Basically, more precision, less guesswork. Then there's routing. Honestly, this one's a game changer. Instead of relying on static delivery schedules, AI uses real-time traffic data, road closures, and even truck performance to dynamically optimize routes. If there's a delay or a new high-priority request, the system recalculates on the fly. That's faster delivery, lower fuel costs, and fewer emissions. It's efficiency and sustainability working hand in hand. Speaking of foresight, demand forecasting is another area where AI shines. It's not just about looking at last month's numbers, it's analyzing macro trends, events, seasonality, and economic indicators. This gives us a much clearer view of what's coming, helping us avoid over or undersupplying and stay agile in a volatile market. Now, let's talk maintenance. Predictive maintenance powered by AI means we're not waiting around for things to break. With sensors on trucks and storage systems, AI spots potential issues before they become failures. That saves time, keeps delivery schedules intact, and let's face it, it makes things a whole lot safer. Security is another area getting a boost. AI tools can flag suspicious patterns in delivery logs or transactions, stuff that might indicate theft or fraud. It's like having an extra set of eyes on everything, all the time. That's peace of mind, and it protects our bottom line. So, what's the big picture? From what I've seen, AI is enabling tighter, more reliable operations across the board. Think 10 to 40% savings in maintenance costs, 35% reductions in inventory levels, and up to 15% cut in overall logistics costs. Even admin overhead can go down by 25 to 40% with AI handling the paperwork. And yeah, sustainability isn't just a checkbox anymore. Regulators, investors, and customers are all watching. Optimizing routes, minimizing fuel waste, and managing resources more intelligently all help shrink our carbon footprint. AI might even help us transition into newer, greener fuels down the line. What's cool is that even examples from other sectors apply here. Whether it's Walmart using AI to personalize offers, or renewable energy companies managing logistics, the core AI techniques are adaptable. Same logic, different fuel. Oh, and something that caught my eye, synthetic data. Sounds weird, but it's incredibly useful. When we don't have enough real-world data, AI can generate realistic data sets to test new systems or train models. It speeds up development and makes the tech more robust before it ever touches the live environment. Looking forward, the industry's evolving fast. Feedstock changes, electric vehicles, packaging demands, they're all shifting how we operate. AI will be central to adjusting our strategies, automating more tasks, and staying competitive globally. But yeah, it's not without its challenges. Data privacy, cybersecurity, workforce changes, they all need thoughtful planning. Investing in upskilling and ethical implementation is going to be just as important as the technology itself. So here's what I'm thinking. If you're running distribution or delivery in this industry, it might be time to ask, where could AI create the biggest impact in your operation? And what would it take to get started? That's the conversation we need to be having. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.